All right, so here's part 2 here of my making my own meatballs. As you can see right here, we got 35 seconds left on this. I'm gonna go ahead and just shut the timer down and take them out. All right, let's go ahead and grab these meatballs out of here. Let me grab my thing here. All right, so here we go. There's your Italian style meatballs, all, close this up, all cooked up. I'm sure they're probably still a little bit red inside, and that's kind of what we want, at least in my opinion. It could be wrong, but you can see the grease around here from the 80-20. So what we want to do is I want to take them off of there, and I want to put them on a plate because I don't want them sitting in this grease. I really don't want this getting mixed into my sauce here. So let me go over here and let me grab a pair of my tongs here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take these off and just put them on this plate here. The one sitting in this grease here. The reason we use 80-20 is because it does keep them a little bit more moist. I'm actually not a big fan of extra lean ground beef. I never was. To me, it has no flavor, especially when you grill it. So I try to keep the 80-20, 85-15. I never really get too much that's, not that level. I'd rather have a little bit of juiciness to it. And as you can see them right there, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take them over here, and I'm going to stick them in my sauce. You see my sauce is nice and hot here. So we're just going to stick them in there and let them sink down into the pot, into the sauce. This way they'll sit in there for a little bit, and hopefully they'll be 100% ready for when my wonderful wife comes home. She's gonna have a nice spaghetti and meatballs dinner. I think what I'm gonna start doing here is I'm usually a regular everyday cook. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start maybe posting some videos on how to cook some stuff. I'll tell you one thing though, I want to say any guys that are, you see how much grease came off from sitting there? So it went from that to that, and look at all the grease. So a lot of that stuff ran off. I just want to say that to a lot of guys out there, and this is truthful, women love it when you cook for them. So keep that in mind. Women absolutely love it. If you want to surprise a woman that you first started dating, is invite her over to your house and cook her some dinner. She will absolutely love it. That and a nice bottle of wine with dinner, she will absolutely love it. You'll be in really good. All right, so we got going here. I got my spaghetti water going here, which I'm going to turn up. Since I just heard from her, she's going to be on her way here shortly. I'll go ahead and spin this up a little bit, get them underneath that sauce. Trust me, cooking's really easy. And really, honestly, you can make it any way you want to make it. It doesn't matter. Like I said, women love it when you cook. I think everybody knows how to make spaghetti, so I'm certainly not going to show you how to make spaghetti. It's pretty simple. But any questions about how to make the meatballs, use the comment section. Be more than happy to help, guys. Thanks. Peace.